This conference will now be recorded.
Go to VPC. So you have two VPCs. Can you launch two instances into two different VPC subnets? We don't have
Okay.
any instance right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Launch two instance into different VPC. It can be a public launch in a public subnet itself.
Okay.
Use existing. Rana, you launch two instance. Give me a minute. I'll give you a call and come back. Give me 1 minute. Meanwhile, you can launch two instance in two different VPC public subnet. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thank you. Okay, log into one server, Rana, and try to ping another server
Okay.
with a private IP.
But I'm
So
still
what
waiting
are
for
the
the
okay?
initializing.
Okay, let it be. So what is the private IP you got for both one? Can you
Uh,
check? Go to description. So
Private IP is
one is in 10 dot
in
series, another
mm,
IP is in
170.
172. So both are in different range.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do one. After we'll check the peer connection once it is kept. No, no. You can't log in with private IP. Log in with a public IP, assign a public IP to it. After login, try to connect ping with a private IP. So no
Okay.
IP is attached to it. So to without public IP, you can't reach the instance at all. So assign a public IP to either one of the server. Assign
Okay.
IP to only to one server. That's enough. We are going to log in one server and try to ping another server. So go to Elastic IP, create a Elastic IP, and attach the Elastic IP to it. So it is already associate address. Give associate address. So select the instance. I told you to tag always. So we are not doing. So hereafter try to tag the instance. So you don't know now which instance is VPC1.
Okay.
So always try to tag it. So it is now VPC2. Its
Hmm.
IP is 172. So
Okay.
no need to reassociate that, associate it. Have you whitelisted your IP?
Uh, no.
Then how it will connect? No, go to security group. Security group. So open the security group in tab default. Default is a security group name. Go to inbound. So allow your traffic. Add a role. SSH. SSH. All traffic below is all SSH. Your IP. Custom IP frame. Give your my IP. Drop down custom one. You already did, right?
Yes.
That's
Okay.
all. Save it. So try to connect now. So why it is not connecting? So for VPC2, have you added internet gateway?
Oh
Go
yeah,
and check
I didn't
that.
do any kind of connections.
So this kind of troubleshoot you need to find why it is not connecting. First we need to check the security group, then you need to check the subnet level. So one by one you need to do.
Okay. Internet. It's attached to VPC, right?
So internet gateway, yeah, internet gateway is attached, but in subnet have you allowed 0.0 to the internet gateway? Go to public subnet, VPC2, go to route table. There is no entry, man. What entry should be there to make it as a public?
000, right?
Exactly. So go to that, cancel this. Open the route table ID in new tab. You have a route table ID, right? Route table colon, you have ID. Open that. Go to route, edit routes, add route.
No need of target or I think net gateway, right?
No. For public subnet, what gateway you will attach?
Internet gateway.
Then how NAT gateway will come? For private only will attach NAT gateway, right?
Okay.
Yesterday you did this very correct, man. Why today you forgot add NAT gateway? Internet gateway. Just click and you got it. Save route. That's it. So now try to connect the putty. No, no, no. Other server, other server. You have attached IP to the VPC2 server.
Mm-hmm. But you told
Copy
me
the
to
IP.
ping the first VPC, right?
No problem. We can get the IP, log in here. You logged in, right? No.
Yes.
Sorry. I forgot. So you are already logged in the Dutch server only. So try
Okay.
to connect the server with the private IP. Try to do a ping.
To the private one.
Yeah, first one private IP. First one.
Oh, first private.
This is yeah, first one.
It's not pinging.
It won't because
That is
Two
fine.
are in different subnets. Okay,
Okay.
two different network. So even we whitelist, what we can do is minimize it. So what we are try to achieving now, Sham, can you tell from which server to which server we are trying to ping?
So we are trying to ping from 172 to 10.10.0.
172 to okay. So
10.0.
we have not whitelisted that 172 IP in 10.129. First we will do a whitelist. Okay.
Okay.
Open launch wizard 4 in a new tab.
Launch.
That security group name. Launch
Oh,
wizard.
okay.
Okay. I told you go back and open in a new tab.
Oh,
So we can copy that IP. So we will paste. Okay. Copy that second instance private IP.
second instance private, right?
Yeah. 172 dot copy. Go to security group. Inbound. Edit. Add a rule. Allow all traffic. Paste that IP here. /32. In comments, add VPC2 instance IP. So, what you understand from this, Sham? Do you got any idea what I'm doing?
I think we are doing the masking protocol.
No. Masking is different stuff. What we are doing is, so to communicate from one server to another server, we are doing a security level whitelist, right?
Okay.
So what I'm doing is I'm allowing 172.0.0.176 server to allow to ping me or allow to all the action of this server. So I'm granting the permission to that VPC2 instance to access me. So what we are doing is from VPC1 server, I'm adding the rule stating that I'm granting the permission to VPC2 instance to access me.
Okay.
So I'm adding this rule to it. Okay. Save it and try to ping now. So it is not pinging it, right?
Pinging.
So
Mm-hmm.
what we are next going to do is go to VPC peer, go to VPC tab. So in third, yeah, route table tab, it is there, right? Last tab. Go to
Okay.
VPC peer connections. Below NAT gateway, it is there. Create a peer connection. So tag it as VPC2, VPC1 peer.
So requester
So
should be the VPC2, right?
VPC2, yeah. For my account, same region, acceptor, select the acceptor, drop down it.
VPC1. That's it. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
So we have created it. Type do a OK. So in action, go to the action. So what is happening, Sham? So we have created. So what we need to do is we need to accept the connection. So since it is in same account, we need to accept it. Go to the action, accept the request. So it is in active state. Both the connection are in active state. Now try
Okay.
go to server whether it is pinging or not.
No.
Now also it is not pinging. Why?
Mm, I think there is no gateway for VPC one.
No, not like that. Actually, Sham, whatever we do in network level, we need to add in the route table. So this is a new connection we have created, right? We need
Correct.
to tell route table stating that if I am getting a request from this range of IPs, go via this peer connection, I need to tell the route table. So go to public route table of both the stuffs, add the route. Go to the route table.
I'm in route table.
Yeah.
Mm,
So go to the route table, which is a public route table. Go to route. This is VPC1 route table, right? This is public route table. Based on the IGW, we know that it is a public one.
Oh,
Since
so
you not tag, yeah, you are
okay.
suffering to get the data. So go to edit route, add the route. What we need to add here, Sham, no?
It's the
IP of what?
IP of the connection we just created. The
No, we need to add the IP range of VPC2. What the route table I am telling is if I am getting any IPs from this range of IPs, allow via this VPN. So what I'm telling is uh, put the VPC2 IP there range. No,
this
it
thing,
is a
right?
server. No, it is a server IP. I'm telling you to put the range itself.
So 172.
What is your range? It will show all the range. You copy from your VPC itself. Go to the console management, open the VPC new tab. So copy your range or in this. Okay, you copied, I guess. Paste here.
Okay.
So target what we need to give some.
Target should be the public. Oh no. Internet gateway.
No, no, no. What we have created now.
Oh, peering connection.
Exactly.
Okay.
Give it. You got that?
Yes.
And save it. Close it. Go to public route of VPC2 also. We need to do same activity in both the route tables.
Okay. VPC.
I guess that is a VPC2 public drop down. Yeah, it is. So copy so what we need to do here, go to edit route, Add route. What IP we need to give here, Shah?
The range for VPC1.
Exactly. Yes. So in VPC2, I will give VPC1 range. In
Hmm.
VPC1, I will give VPC2 range. So I'm telling the route table, if I'm getting any IP from this range, go via this VPC peer connection.
Okay.
Save it. So now check your server.
Yeah, started thinking.
That's it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
A bit confusing now. You try to recreate again. Once you remove all the resources after this call, you remove all
Hmm.
the resources. You try to recreate. Definitely you will stuck somewhere. Think,
Okay.
think and do. So definitely you will do. You will keep on practicing. Will come on day very well. So it will be initially very tough to understand for you, but
Hmm.
if you do 3 time practice, that's all. It will be good for you.
Okay. So all I need to do is now just practice.
Yes, yes, exactly. Yeah, even
Okay.
after every class, you go to a part-time job, and after coming back home, do a practice of that. Else you will forgot. So
Okay.
you today to add a internet gateway, you are bit struggling, I guess. So you're confused with the NAT gateway, internet gateway. So NAT gateway only used for private subnet. Public subnet will be only for internet gateway.
Internet
So
gateways. Okay.
you make some keywords for that. For public, it is internet gateway. For private, it is a NAT gateway. So you make some mapping of each word, so you can easily able to remember stuffs.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
good. So now you understand how peers will work, right? So peering
Hmm.
is nothing but making
Six.
connection of two different network ranges.
Okay.
So we have VPC1 in 10 dot series, we have VPC2 in 172. Both are two different ranges, but now we are able to connect both two different ranges, right? So I can able to ping 172 from 10.
Ten dot.
So yeah, so it is possible by doing a peer connection.
Okay. So if I now log in as a 10 dot and ping to the 172, I will able to do that too, right?
No, but we have only added in one security group. You should go to the other server. You should add a security group rule stating that what we have done in route table, you should do same. Allow all
Same
the
thing.
ranges of IP, all traffic, so you can able to ping. Now we
Okay.
added only one IP of server, so you can able to access from only one that server. If you need to access from all the servers of that range, give the VPC range itself.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Good. So can you go to EC2 tab, EC2 console? So what is remaining? So volumes. Today, I will tell you is what is the time? So we can check what are the volumes available, Sham.
Volumes.
Yeah, volumes.
Okay.
So try to create a volume. So in drop down, check what are the volumes available.
Oh, yeah. General, province, gold, throughput, and
Throughput,
magnetic.
magnetic. Okay. So do you know what is IOPS?
IOPS. I remember you told me, but
Input output per second.
okay.
So already I've told you what are the types of volume.
Mm-hmm.
I told you, I guess. Is that?
Yeah, you went through all of this.
Yeah, yeah. Can you recollect that for me? Or if you remember that?
General purpose, I believe it's like for small small projects, like let's say it's a simple website and you just want to uh,
Okay. Okay.
put on public, that is where you use general purpose, I believe.
Okay. Okay.
Provision is more like input output kind of website or software where user need to input something and should get an output, and it has to be in per second, like it has to be in a timely manner.
So provision will be mostly used for database purpose, Shyam. You
Okay,
remember, provision is mostly used for database. Why for databases? More read and writes will happen only in database.
okay. So mostly like
So
database.
it will be dedicated for IOPS. IOPS will be increased for that.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
For cold, is
Yes.
it just for like showing data?
No, no. What is throughput first? Tell me what is throughput. Throughput optimized volume, what it will do. In what situation it will we can use that volume.
Throughput is, I think, for large memory, I guess. Large memory processing.
No. Always have a keywords. Throughput is used for big data analyst. How many data is processed per second? It is calculated in MB.
Okay.
So always make a map of that. For general purpose, it is common. So how the IOPS will be calculated in general purpose?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
How the IOPS will be calculated in general purpose? I told you, right? For 1 GB of volume, how many IOPS will be added?
It was 30, right? 30 to 30,000. I mean,
Three,
3,000.
three, three
3,000.
IOPS. For 100 GB of volume, there will be 300 IOPS added. For 1 GB, it will be 3 IOPS.
3 IOPS. Okay.
Okay. For throughput, you make a map. It is called. It will be used for big data analyst, like Splunk. We have a lot of big data tools. In that tool, we will use the throughput. Why means lot of process will happen per second. How many data it is running through per second is throughput.
Okay.
IOPS will be mostly used for database.
Database.
Authentic is it's a, like a pen drive. We can't do any IOPS or throughput in that.
Okay.
I will send a link, Sham, to make you study on that. So it will have a detailed information. Okay, I will
Okay.
send the post the
Can you go over cold again?
cold is nothing but Sham. We have throughput, right? Throughput is
Uh-huh.
a high-end usage. Somewhere the middle way, mostly they'll use less amount of throughput, right? In that situation, they'll go for cold. Cold is nothing but a minimal version of throughput. It is a minimal version of throughput.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, sure. Okay, for volume, there is a concept called backup. For everything, we can take backup, right, in IT.
Mm-hmm.
So in instance, so volume level backup is known as snapshot.
Snapshot. Okay.
Okay, so we can take, if you have a volume, you can go to the volume, and if you right click, you will have a snapshot.
All these are snapshot basically, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You cancel this. You cancel this page. Can you do that? Cancel it.
Here.
No, down. In down, we have cancel, right?
Okay.
You have two volumes right now. Click one
Mm-hmm.
volume. In action, create a snapshot. So
Okay.
just give a description of today date and the volume name, and if you give a create, it what it will do is it will take the current data and it will take a backup of that.
Okay.
Okay,
Even if
always, yeah, tell me.
doesn't matter how big the data or memory is, like how big the.
Only data is matter, memory does not matter here. How many content is there in that volume, it will take back.
Okay, and that means the server and the project that like we are working on. That data you
Yeah,
mean?
yeah. You currently today you are saving a file, right?
Okay.
You will have multiple files in your servers.
Uh-huh.
Your OS will also sit in a volume only, right, Sham? This is the
Okay.
root volume of your server, Sham. You are trying to create a volume snapshot, right? It is a
Hmm.
root volume of your server where the OS reside.
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Uh, volume to install you are launching a server, you will
Uh-huh.
select volumes.
Okay.
Your OS also will sit in that volume only. All the
Oh,
Linux files will be there in that volume only.
so everything will be on the AWS server on the volume.
Yeah, server is a base of volume only, right? Server root volume is content you are having OS. You have server, right? Go to the server.
Server.
Yeah, yeah. You logged in already. You are logged in the server, right? Go to that. Put a df-h,
D.
df, f
Uh,
space -h. /dev// xvda1 is the root volume of your server.
Slash. What you said?
/dev//
Oh.
xvda is the root volume of your server.
Okay.
So while launching the instance, you have a base volume is 8 GB, right? That is this.
Okay. So we
Okay,
use
you go to the
1.1.
go to instance, click one instance,
Mm-hmm.
click one instance, uh, drop down in volumes. You have a block devices, right? You have root volume. What is saying? /dev xvda.
Mm-hmm.
Server also you have same, right? So what it is saying is what volume you have mounted is having the root data. Root is nothing but the you have Linux knowledge, right, Shah? Do you have base like
Some kind of, yeah.
yeah, when you install your OS, where the OS will sit in the root volume only it will sit.
Okay.
So if you click this, can you click the root device? Can you click the root device? Yeah, click the volume. So it is the
Mm-hmm.
volume. So instance is having only one volume. That volume is having the OS or of all the data. OS. If you create a new file, it will also sit in in that volume only.
Okay. So that
So
means we are only allowed to use 8 GB, not more than that.
yeah, you can increase while launching. You have option to increase your volumes.
Okay.
That is your option.
Okay.
By default, it will have 8 GB. Why? Because Linux system need 8 GB to install a OS.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now go to action and create a snapshot. Give some description, testing of volume or something. Create a snapshot. Click that ID. It is creating. Okay. So it will have all the content in that volume. It will take a backup and it will like create a snapshot. If you need to restore that volume content, go to action, just to create a volume. That's all.
Okay.
If you create this volume will have the same data where we took the snapshot.
Okay.
If you got it, it is a backup and restore.
Backup
We
and
are
restore.
taking,
Okay.
yeah, exactly, backup management. So what we will do is daily we will take a backup of all the servers. Why? Because sometimes the server will get crash. What we will do during that time, we will restore the server with help of these backups.
Okay. So volume is nothing but backup plan for the servers.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
This is known as snapshots.
Snapshots. Okay.
That's all. Cancel it. No need to create. We have also called AMI Sham. What is AMI Sham? I have discussed with you. While launching an instance, it will ask AMI.
Access management instance. Oh,
Amazon
marketplace.
Machine Image.
Okay.
Amazon Machine Image, right?
Mission images. So basically, where you buy software and all that from here, right? Amazon
Yeah,
Marketplace.
okay, that is marketplace. Amazon AMI is nothing but Amazon Machine Image. So volume, we are taking snapshot. Okay.
Uh huh.
If an instance is having more than more than a volume, I need to take a backup of complete instance. Then it is known as AMI. It is also known as a backup methodology, but it is known as AMI. Go to the instance. So now we took a snapshot with help of the volume, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I need to take a whole instance backup, it is called AMI. Go to instance, click a
Okay.
instance, go to action. There is an option called go to images. We have image, right? Create
Okay.
image. So image is nothing but taking a backup of the current instance.
Okay.
Okay, what the image while you're taking it will show is it will show how many volume that the instance is having. What it will do is it will take all the volume of the instance. We no need to take separately go for individual volumes and we can take backup. If we take a image, it will take automatically do a backup for all the volumes it is attached to the instance.
Okay.
It is a complete backup. For volume level snapshot, we need to go individual volumes and need to take a snapshot. Whereas the AMI is complete backup of the instance.
Okay.
You got it right?
Yes.
So I will send you the links on both snapshot and AMI difference. So you can able to understand it. Also, I will send you the link how to restore it. So your task is for today, what we'll do is you'll read about this and you need to create a snapshot for volume. Also, can you, okay, I'll give a task by tomorrow. Today you will find the difference between a AMI and the snapshot. Okay, I will send you the link for that. So
Okay.
you study, try to create a volume, try to create a snapshot, try to create a AMI, try to restore it. After creating AMI, you can able to launch an instance from that AMI itself. We can able to do. So try to do that. Okay.
Okay.
So you try all these stuffs today. So I'll send you links. So tomorrow what we can do is we can going to see two topics mainly. One is
Hmm.
load balance, another one is auto scaling.
Okay, got it.
Got it? So tomorrow I will try to connect by 9 itself. I will try to come soon so we can cover large area tomorrow.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, sure. So today I will send you link for the snapshot AMI. Okay, so you keep on practice for the peering and NAT gateway, internet gateway, every steps.
Yes. Okay.
So I'll give a small test by next week. It will be a complete task for all the stuffs combined. Okay, so be ready for that also.
Okay, got it.
Hmm? Okay,
Okay.
thank you. I'll
Thank
send
you.
you the email so we can connect by tomorrow. I'll try to connect by 9 itself tomorrow. So you also be ready by that time.
Sure, I will.
Thank you, Shan.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.